In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Gmail account for your child. To begin, open a web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone, and go to the Google Create Account page. This is the official page where Google walks you through setting up a new account. Starting here is important because it ensures the account is created with the correct child settings and the right parental controls. Once the page loads, look for the account type options and select the one that says For My Child. Choosing this option matters because it connects the account to family features and requires a parent to approve the setup, which helps keep the account more secure and age-appropriate. After you select For My Child, you will be asked to confirm that you want to continue with the child account setup. Click Yes, Continue. This moves you into the guided setup process, where Google will collect the basic details it needs to create the account. Next, enter your child's name and birthday. Take your time here and make sure the birthday is accurate, because it affects which protections and settings are applied to the account. It can also determine what content restrictions are available and how the account is managed. After that, you will choose a Gmail address for your child and create a password. Pick an address that your child can remember and that you are comfortable with them using for school or other approved activities. For the password, choose something strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Make sure you store the password in a safe place so you can help your child sign in later if needed. Now you will be prompted to enter your own email address or phone number as the parent. This step links you to the child's account, so Google can verify that you are providing consent and so you can manage settings as needed. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to give parental consent. Read each screen carefully, confirm the details, and complete any verification steps Google asks for. Once you finish, the child account will be created and ready to use with parental oversight. And that is all there is to it.